One of the most astounding discoveries of modern science is that of four-part window theory. Now, let's take an egg. Imagine this egg is our universe. The egg shell is our conceptual boundaries of the universe. But like many eggs, ours is sitting in a carton with 11 others. 12 universes together, close, and yet still unconnected. Let's remove the shell of our universe and place it in a bowl. Let's crack the other shells, remove them as well. Open them up, careful, these are universes. And place them in the same bowl as our universe. Again, we have 12 universes here together in the same bowl, yet separate. But if we mix the eggs until they're homogenized, stir them up, we appear to have one mass. Yet the molecules of the individual eggs, the pieces of the separate universes, remain intact and separate from one another. Our 12 universes have been smashed together, but on the micro level, the atoms, the molecules, remain disassociated. This is essentially the way that we perceive our own universe. If we follow this model, then in all directions are countless, nearly infinite layers of different universes just outside of our perception. This concept is the foundation of four-part window theory. Four-part window theory is not only a theory, but a practical method for a person, any person, to travel from one universe to another, and into the swirling expanse of layered dimensions referred to by four-part window theorists as the God Pan. Four-part window theory's most basic and practical application begins with a collection of four simple objects. Let's take a stick, a stone, a rock, and a lowly frog. After the objects have been carefully selected, they are placed in the exact same position and orientation as four mirroring objects in a neighboring dimension. When these two sets of objects are aligned perfectly, a gateway is created between the universes. These gateways, or windows, are brief spaces in which the universes are combined and can allow safe travel of most matter-based life forms. With the proper training and a bit of luck, any of us can travel from one universe to another with relative ease. Multidimensional travel is commonly called window walking, and those who perform these extraordinary feats are aptly named squeegenauts. Four-part window theory has in fact been advanced in our current age into an even more amazing method called four-part bonsai origami window theory. Using this updated version, a squeegenaut no longer need locate the exact objects required to open a window. Bonsai origami is, of course, the practice of intricately folding tiny pieces of paper into new shapes and structures. On the multi-universal scale, the orientation of the origami's corners and edges cause it to mimic almost any object desired. This, of course, means that with only 4 pieces of paper, a squeegenaut can quickly possess all of the required objects needed to open a window. The speed and precision of four-part bonsai origami window theory allows squeegenauts to window walk great distances and thusly explore deep into the outer God Pan. While four-part window theory and four-part bonsai origami window theory are incredible methods of traversing the God Pan, window walking is not without its perils. To explain this, we will represent the entirety of the God Pan as a sphere. Now, we can apply a horizontal and a vertical axis. You see, early squeegenauts discovered that only along the exact horizontal axis does time exist in the manner that we currently understand. When window walking, a squeegee-not must be extremely careful not to fall askew from this horizontal plane. Once separated from this horizontal axis, returning becomes very problematic. The universal current grows exponentially stronger the further the squeegee-not drifts from the horizontal plane. To make matters worse, a squeegee-not's perception of time is drastically altered the closer they get to the vertical axis. Mighty current gives squeegee-knots increasingly smaller windows to open, and the distortion of time can make it very difficult to fold paper. If a squeegee-knot is unable to window walk back down to the horizontal axis, then they will most certainly wind up at the vertical axis. At the absolute vertical, time does not exist at all. It is a space of infinite where everything is happening at once, forever. Early squeegee-knot lore refers to this vertical axis as a hell-like experience. Pain is constant, endless, and all-surrounding. Once a squeegee-knot has fallen into the vertical axis,
There is no escape.
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 There is no escape. There is no
There is
escape.
no escape.
There is no escape.
There is no escape. For these reasons, it is called the prison of bees.